Get ready to be amazed because this whole second you've been looking is officially taking over the internet. Stop scrolling right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the build quality is premium. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes Psy so unique compared to ordinary items is that it works better than anything else in the market. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it sells out everywhere. Get ready to be amazed because this whole second you've been looking is officially taking over the